Hi everyone, welcome back to the Peach Apron. Today we're turning simple eggs into a cheesy masterpiece, the ultimate cheese omelette. Easy to make, simple ingredients but big on flavor, and it gets ready in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. I've taken 2 eggs and cracked them into a bowl. Give them a good whisk, just enough to combine the yolks and the whites into a smooth mix. You don't need to overbeat the eggs. A light whisk gives a fluffier texture. Once the eggs are whisked together, set them aside for now. Meanwhile, I've finely chopped a few vegetables to add a burst of freshness and lift the flavor of the omelette. Let me take you through the ingredients one by one. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green capsicum, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1 finely chopped green chili, and finally 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. Now it's time to hit the flame. Place a small pan on the stove and heat it up nicely. Into the pan, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil here, but you can go with olive oil as well. Both work well for this recipe. Give the pan a gentle swirl to coat the surface evenly. This also helps to season the pan and prevents sticking. Now start adding the chopped ingredients one by one. I'm going in with the onions, capsicums and the green chilies first. I'll be adding the tomatoes and coriander a bit later. Saute everything very well just until the onions turn slightly golden and the capsicums look vibrant green. This will take just a few seconds, so keep an eye on the pan to avoid burning the ingredients. It's time to pour in the whisked eggs over the cooked veggies. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything, then spread the mixture evenly across the pan to ensure it cooks uniformly on all sides. Keep the flame on low to medium so that the eggs cook slowly and stay soft without overcooking. Now add the finely chopped tomatoes over the top. You can add a little or more of the tomatoes depending on your taste. Make it to your own liking. Add the shredded mozzarella cheese on just one side of the omelette. The beauty of this dish is you can adjust all the ingredients to suit your taste. You want more cheese? Go for it. There is no such thing as too much cheese. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves over the cheese. Now it's time to season. Drizzle a nice pinch of salt evenly over the omelette, just enough to bring all the flavors together. Add a pinch of pepper powder to taste and sprinkle it evenly over the omelette. The pepper brings a warm, savory balance to the slightly caramelized onions. It's a simple touch that makes a big difference. Gently fold it over to cover the cheese and gently flip it over. The heat from the cooked eggs will melt the cheese and soften the tomatoes perfectly. Switch off the flame and that's it. Your delicious cheese omelette is all ready. It's time to plate the omelette. Sprinkle a bit of chopped coriander leaves on top to garnish, and also it adds a pop of color and freshness. This is a perfect recipe for breakfast. It's so easy to put together. A perfect recipe for those hurry-burry mornings or for those lazy evenings when you're too tired to cook an elaborate meal. Each bite is a burst of comfort and flavor, a reminder that simple food can be both amazing and satisfying. There's nothing more heartwarming than seeing your loved ones relish every bite. It turns a simple meal into a beautiful memory. Looks like my little one absolutely loves this one. Always the best kind of review. Oh, eat slowly.
It's so good.
You really can't go wrong with this one. Adjust every ingredient to suit your taste and make it your own signature omelette dish. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, enjoy cooking and bye for now.